Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. Happy weekend. If you are coming across the channel for the first time, my name is Tammy, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be pairing dinner with you guys, and let's get started. But let's just say this truth, like let's talk. No one is talking about cold. Oh my god, my nose is blocked and I'm having headache. I have to sustain myself with this hot water. But you know what, life goes on, we move. Yeah, so I got this okra in my previous video, and I said if I want to prepare it, I'll surely carry you guys along with me. So this is the hand manual I show you guys in my previous video, so I'm going to use it to grind my okra. So first of all, surely I have to wash my okra. I'm not going to teach you guys how to cook okra in this video. I just want to carry you guys along with me to prepare this dinner. If you like to watch how to cook okra soup, surely scroll down. In my videos, you're going to see all the details, all the recipes step by step there. Trust me, you're going to like it. Let me ask you guys the question: what is your favorite dinner food, and which time do you love taking your dinner? Do you love taking your dinner around 8, 7, 9 up there, or before 6? Let me know in the comment section and let me know your favorite dinner. As for me or for my family, sometimes we go for dinner around 8 or 9 o'clock. I know that is too late, but it depends on the mood and it depends how busy I am. So sometimes we go for semo, pando yam, amala to be precise, like amala. Oh my god. We love amala. We love black amala in this family. So that's what we used to go for. Sometimes we go for rice. Yeah, your girl love to dance. Oh my god. I don't know how to dance, but I love dancing. That's how you will see me throwing my hand like and dance. Sometimes because my meat here, this is my fresh beef. Yeah. I think I'm going to leave you guys to watch this. Then I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay tuned, and bye. Please watch it to the end.